So there's someone from the RAC who talked about using this really well, and he was talking about the right way to use it. So Bobby Patel, I don't think I spoke about him at the state conference, but there's a digital transformation group, like a meetup group in Perth, and I went along and Bobby was speaking at one of those sessions, and he was talking about how RAC uses data and analytics in pretty much everything that they do throughout the organization, and they've been doing it for a while. I did some work with them years ago before any of these AI tools were available to the public, and they were doing lots of stuff that's data driven. And somebody in the Q&A after his presentation, at the end of his presentation, said, is there anything that you wouldn't use AI for? And he said this, and the reason he said this, I'll tell you what the thing is, but he said we won't use AI for this because it goes against our mission. And the thing he was talking about is a thing that lots of businesses are trying to do now, which is replace people in call centers with AI. So having AI voice chat bots who are answering the phone, and you have a conversation with them, and they're an AI bot. And sometimes you can tell that it's AI, but companies don't mind that, and actually people don't mind that either if the AI does the right job. Okay, so if it works, that's good. Okay, and people tend to get used to that. But Bobby said, no, we're not going to replace people with AI, because part of our mission is to serve the WA community and make sure that we look after the WA community. And firing people and replacing them with AI doesn't meet that part of our mission. He said, what we do is we absolutely do use AI in call centers. But what we do is we get the human member service operator who takes the call, who's got access to AI. So if I ring up and I say I want to report something like a crash and need some repairs done, then the human in the call center knows me from my phone number, and then has some information about my history and some information that I don't need to give because they've got it available, and they can use AI to interrogate, to find out about me, to find out about what options I've got available. So they use AI to help the human call center operators. And again, so they put the human in the loop, partly because it's part of their mission as well. Okay, and I reckon we should all be doing the same thing.